Good morning, children. This is Thursday the 21st of January and this is a maths lesson for Mr. Wakelam's maths group. Today we're going to be sorting 3D shapes. Let's just recap on some of the shape work you've done so far. We've been looking at edges and at faces and at vertices. Let's just recap on that. Here I've got a shape. It's a cone. Okay, now let's think first of all about the edges. The edges is the bit that you can put your finger round the edge of a shape where two of the faces meet. So that would be on there. On this shape, this would be the edge. This would be the edge. Okay, so on a cone, it's quite an interesting shape because it only has that one edge. Okay. Faces. Faces are always the bit you can put your hand on. So we've got faces on here. This is a face. This is a face. On the cylinder, this is a face. And here, but also this curved face all the way around. Faces. It's the biggest part of the shape. The face. Vertices. Vertices are those corners or points. So again on the cone, which is like the ice cream cone, there's the vertice there, the point. There's only one on that shape. The cylinder's interesting because actually there are no points, no vertices on a cylinder. But on a cuboid, you can see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 at this end, and then I've also got 4 at this end. So there will be 8 vertices on a cuboid. Now, to sort the shapes today, you're going to use a Venn diagram. And I'm just going to show you how to use a Venn diagram first of all. And I'm going to do this with a simple activity to do with flowers. Now, Venn diagrams usually have a couple of circles like this, and they have criteria at the top. So this circle here says all the flowers that have 5 petals need to go in this circle. And this one here, all the flowers that are spotty need to go in this circle. This bit in the middle is interesting because this bit in the middle is overlapping both of these circles. So this bit in the middle will be flowers that have 5 petals but are also spotty. Okay, let's have a look then. Here's our first flower. Let's have a look at it. Let's count the petals. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 5 petals. So it needs to go in this side. It isn't spotty, so it can't go in the middle. Let's try another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 petals. Now, this doesn't sit in this circle or in this circle. So what we do with something that doesn't work in either of these, we put it outside of the shape. The 2 circles over there, outside the Venn diagram. Let's try another one. Let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 petals. 6 petals, and it's spotty. So it's not 5 petals, but it is spotty. So it needs to go in that side there. Let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals and spotty. So this one is both. So we place it in the middle. So it's in both of those circles. Let's try a couple more. This one. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals. No spots. Where's it going to go? That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 petals, but it's spotty. So it's not 5 petals, it's spotty, it must go there. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals and spotty. That's one of those in both. Again, goes in the middle. So remember, if it doesn't fit in either of the circles, it goes outside the Venn diagram like this one. Okay, this one over here. Right, so let's look at what you're going to do with your Venn diagram. Yours looks like this. Your 2 criteria are less than 6 vertices in this circle and curved faces in this circle. And the shapes that you've been given to sort are these here. Okay, so I'll just quickly show you maybe 1 or 2 with the actual shapes. Okay, let's start with this shape. See, this is a cone. Okay, so does it have less than 6 vertices? Well, it only has that one. Yeah, so it definitely belongs over there. But this one also has curved faces, so that one's going to go in the middle there, both. Yeah. Let's look at this shape. This is a pyramid. Let's have a look how many vertices it's got. It's got 1 at the top, and then we've got the 4 at the bottom, the 4 corners. So that's 5 vertices. Well, 5 is less than 6, so it must go over here. It's not going to go in the middle because it hasn't got a curved face. Okay. Okay, boys and girls, so you need to sort these shapes here into this diagram for me today. Remember, we have been learning to sort 3D shapes. Good luck with that, boys and girls. Bye for now.